all she wants. I'm not gonna lose you again. You give me all of you.
I'm gonna cry.
I want to see that. Let's go.
You've read the book, right?
No, I don't think so. I don't think I read that one.
It's crazy. So they get like back together after all these years, and they're like totally in love again, and like everything's really great, and you think it's all going super well, and then her son gets into a car accident, and her son, but it gets fucking crazy. Her son gets into a car accident, and he's like about to die, and then he all of a sudden needs a heart transplant. It's the only way that he's gonna live. And at the very same time, James Marsden gets beat up by those other people. So James Marsden actually dies, and his heart is the thing that saves her son. So he dies, but her son lives on, and so she has a piece of him forever, but like he's dead, and it's over.
Seen it. Sorry. I want to go now.
Can we go see Mall Cop instead?
Yes. Yes, we can.
I'm too depressed now.
I'll look up showtimes.
Okay. I'm bingo!